Okay, these are the boards he bought to go around the bottom. And it looks like that might be Hardie board. Hardie panel board for the bottom. I'm gonna ask him. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All around the trailer. See that board? It's framed on the bottom all around like that. And they probably did that to save these beams. So he's gonna put Hardie board, because that's what that looks like. That is all the way around underneath the brand new Hardie panel. So they have all the lattice off. We'll do it ourselves, paint the trailer and put the lattice. So that's what it looks like right now with everything off. And I'll update you later as they progress through the work.